Top 3 Video Doorbells, Ring Video versus competitors. Hey smart home enthusiasts! Today, we're comparing 3 of the best video doorbells, Ring, Nest, and Arlo, to help you pick the right fit for your home security setup. Let's explore their standout features, advantages, and drawbacks to guide your decision. Ring dominates the market with its robust ecosystem and simple installation options, making it a popular choice. Its app is intuitive, loaded with features like motion zones and two-way talk. However, ongoing costs for the Ring Protect subscription and occasional connectivity issues are noteworthy cons. Privacy concerns have also been flagged, so weigh these aspects before investing. If you desire a market leader with wide compatibility, Ring is a strong contender. Nest Doorbell excels if you're already a loyal Google user. Integration with Google Assistant devices is seamless, and its high-resolution video and AI-driven alerts shine. Facial recognition and package detection redefine convenience. On the flip side, a higher price tag and a narrower ecosystem compared to Ring might deter budget-conscious buyers. Nest is ideal if you value cutting-edge AI features and Google Home Harmony. Arlo offers stellar battery life and flexible storage, appealing to homes without wired setups. The user-friendly app simplifies the experience, while local storage ensures data control. Downsides include limited smart home integration and higher costs if you expand your system. Go with Arlo if battery efficiency and storage flexibility top your list. Choose the doorbell that aligns with your needs and explore further to secure your home with confidence.